How to turn on or turn off high picture resolutions settings to keep on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. After that, tap on the quick controls button. Then tap on settings. Now in camera settings, we then scroll down and then tap on settings to keep. In here, tap on high picture resolutions. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off high picture resolutions settings to keep. Here's a keep 50 or 200 megapixel resolutions applied instead of switching to the default resolution when you close camera. After, you can tap on the back key to go back to your camera or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.